Want to build your own YouTube thumbnail downloader without writing a single line of code? Well, stick around until the end of this video and I'll show you exactly how you can do it using a free application called Firebase. And all it takes is one single prompt. And if you haven't used Firebase, it's a new no-code platform from Google. What's great about it is that it's completely free. You can host all your apps or websites on Firebase, and it uses Google Gemini Pro, which is also completely free. So before I show you how to build a simple app like this, let's go ahead and test it. So I've put in a link to a YouTube video. It just doesn't matter, it can be any. You can see this is a thumbnail for that video, and then you have some resolution options. So I'm gonna select HD. You've got file format, which is obviously JPEG and PNG when you're dealing with thumbnails. And then there's some other optional extras that I thought I'd kind of throw in there just to show you what's possible. So if I click on download thumbnail, you can see that it's downloaded it. If I go over to my desktop and see if it's there, and yeah, it is. You can see it's here. So this is the actual thumbnail, and this is the high definition resolution. As I mentioned, I only used a single prompt to build this entire website. So you can see here that the prompt was create a 3-screen mobile app interface for a YouTube thumbnail downloader called Thumbly, using visual style, color palette, and layout structure of the provided design template. Now, this is where most people go wrong, because they expect the AI to just generate a beautiful looking website or app or whatever it is that you're trying to build. And as you know, as good as AI is, it needs context, it needs ideas and templates. So what I did was I actually went on Google and I found a mobile app. It doesn't matter what mobile app it is, as long as you like the interface, you like the layout or the design of it, you can then use that as a guide. So all I did was take the image and upload it in here because I like the colors, I like the layout, I like the style. And basically I just said that use this as a design template. So the design should be clean, vibrant, friendly, using flat style illustrations and modern rounded UI components. Now bear in mind, this took me like 5 minutes to generate Thumbly. If I was to spend like an hour, I can make it even better because I can customize the title here. I can add some more visual elements. I can add more interactive assets on the page, but I just wanted to show you what's possible in like 5 minutes or less. And you can see here that the design guidelines are the colors, the typography, the styles, the layout, the font size, rounded corners, rounded edges, etc. And I've given it 3 screens just because I wanted to see the capabilities of it, but you don't need to do it. So you can see that in screen 1, I've added a welcome screen and an illustration of user browsing or selecting YouTube thumbnails. Get the perfect shot instantly is the title, and then the subtitle is download HD thumbnails. And so if I show you, if I refresh the page, you're gonna see all that here. And again, I could spend more time doing this, making the logo better. I could, add more visual elements, but you kind of get the point. So if I click on get started, you'll see the second screen here, which is how it works. And you can have an illustration of person pasting the video in the app. Now, obviously that's a bit more dynamic. So you could add videos of somebody doing that, or you can add those clip art style videos, or you can add other assets. And in a future video, I'll show you exactly how you can make your apps even better with more advanced UI features. Then the third screen is this one here. So if I just click on next, it's the download interface. So input the field to paste a YouTube video URL, which is this field here, and then fetch display the available thumbnail preview automatically. So the preview will appear here, as you saw. And then the options to select the HD, SD formats, which is here. You've got a custom one as well, which I haven't really implemented, but I could if I wanted to in further functionality. And then the file type is obviously JPEG, PNG, and there's a download thumbnail button. I've also added some optional extras. So if you want to download the profile picture, the video title text, and the publish date. And so once you have all that, you can then implement it. And honestly, this took like less than 5 minutes to develop an app like this. And I can even go ahead and publish this. So then this can go live on Firebase. You can share it with your friends. You can share it online. You can even sell this as a service to clients. So think about all the services that potential clients might need. This is something, you can build the front end on Firebase. You can host it inside of your account, and then you can share the link publicly to your clients. And if you like this video, consider signing up to the school community. So we have a growing community of AI enthusiasts. We've got people who work for AI automation startups, and we've got people who just want to build some kind of AI side hustle. And yeah, there's a lot of great content inside of here, both for myself and from the wider community, but also I've included a classroom. So there's a bunch of content inside of here. if you are looking to build an AI agency, I've got you covered with my Launch Your AI Agency in 16 days. So it actually took me 30 days to build my agency from start to finish and get my first client. And I'll show you how to do that in 16 days because obviously I've got a lot of shortcuts. The second classroom that you're going to be really interested in is the AI automations and blueprints. So if you click inside of here, you're going to see a bunch of AI automations. So this one here is one of my most popular videos on the YouTube channel, which is build a point of view faceless AI video generator. Now, what's great about this video and this automation is that you can host it locally on your own locally hosted n8n account. So effectively it's free. And I've got all the installation material in here. So this is hosted on Docker. You've got other additional information on how to install FFmpeg and YTDLP, which are just libraries that are needed for this automation. And you've also got the blueprint, so you can upload that inside of your n8n account. So if you want to join, click on the link in the description, just follow the on-screen instructions. I'll see you on the inside. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it this far, please subscribe to the channel because every little helps. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment and I'll see you next time.